Welcome to Digital Future AI, the channel where we explore groundbreaking advancements in technology and their impact on our lives. Today, we tackle one of the hottest debates of our time. Will AI take our jobs? It's a question that sparks both excitement and fear. On one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, making our lives easier and more efficient. On the other, it raises concerns about job displacement and economic inequality. So, where do we stand? By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how AI is transforming the workforce, the types of jobs most at risk, and how we can prepare for this shift. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Digital Future AI for more in-depth content on AI and technology. Don't miss out on our future videos that can help you stay ahead in the digital era. Section 1. Understanding the role of AI in the workforce. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already here, and it's reshaping industries at an unprecedented pace. From customer service chatbots to autonomous vehicles, AI is automating tasks and creating new efficiencies. But how exactly is it impacting the workforce? 1. Automation and efficiency. AI thrives on automating repetitive tasks. In factories, robots have replaced assembly line workers to handle tasks like welding, sorting, and packaging. Companies like Amazon utilize over 200,000 robots in their warehouses to streamline operations. 1. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT and Zendesk AI are responding to queries in seconds, reducing the need for human agents. 1. Advanced problem solving. AI isn't limited to routine tasks. Tools like IBM Watson analyze complex medical data, assist in diagnosing diseases, and even recommend treatments. Financial institutions use AI to detect fraud and predict market trends. 1. Industries adopting AI. Retail giants are using AI for inventory management. Healthcare professionals rely on it for predictive analytics. And even creative fields, like design and content creation, are seeing AI tools assist in generating ideas and drafting outputs. While these advancements are impressive, they also raise questions about the implications for workers. Let's dive deeper. Section 2. Jobs most vulnerable to AI disruption. Not all jobs are equally impacted by AI. Certain roles, especially those involving repetitive tasks, are more at risk. Let's explore. 1. Routine and repetitive roles. Jobs like data entry, telemarketing, and basic bookkeeping are already being automated. AI tools can process information faster, cheaper, and more accurately than humans. 1. In retail, self-checkout kiosks are replacing cashiers, and automated stock management systems reduce the need for manual inventory checks. 1. Transportation and logistics. Self-driving technology developed by companies like Tesla and Waymo threatens to disrupt the trucking and delivery industries. Imagine a future where goods are transported across the country without human drivers. 1. Drones are already being tested for last-mile deliveries by companies like Amazon Prime Air and Zipline. 1. Manufacturing. Factories are increasingly adopting robotic systems for tasks like welding, assembly, and quality control. These systems not only improve efficiency but also reduce costs for companies, making them an attractive alternative to human labor. While these roles face significant disruption, other fields are more resilient to AI's reach. Let's explore those next. Section 3. Jobs resistant to AI and new opportunities. AI may be transforming the job market, but certain roles remain relatively safe. These are jobs that require human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. 1. Creative professions. While AI tools like DALL-E and Adobe Firefly can generate artwork, they lack the originality and emotional depth of human creators. Writers, filmmakers, and designers bring a level of creativity that AI can only mimic but never replicate. 1. For example, AI can help brainstorm ideas, but the storytelling and emotional resonance of a movie or novel remain firmly in human hands. 1. Roles requiring emotional intelligence. Careers in education, counseling, and social work rely on empathy and human connection. Teachers don't just impart knowledge, they inspire and mentor students. AI lacks the emotional nuance required for such roles. 1. Similarly, therapists and counselors build relationships and trust, something algorithms simply can't replicate. 1. Complex and strategic roles. Leadership positions and strategic roles often involve navigating ambiguity and making decisions with incomplete information. CEOs, strategists, and researchers rely on intuition and experience that AI cannot emulate. Moreover, as AI transforms industries, it's also creating entirely new categories of jobs. Let's take a closer look. Section 4. How AI is creating new job opportunities. Contrary to the fear of job loss, AI is also creating opportunities in various sectors. 1. AI development and maintenance. As AI adoption grows, so does the demand for professionals in data science, machine learning, and AI ethics. According to LinkedIn, the demand for AI specialists has increased by 74% annually over the past 4 years. 2. AI augmentation roles. Instead of replacing workers, AI is augmenting their capabilities. For example, 1. Journalists use AI for research and fact-checking, enabling them to focus on storytelling. 2. Doctors leverage AI diagnostic tools to identify conditions more accurately, enhancing patient care. 1. New business models. AI is enabling innovative platforms like Uber, Airbnb, and DoorDash, creating flexible opportunities for gig workers. Similarly, startups focused on AI solutions are generating thousands of jobs in development, marketing, and operations. 1. Entrepreneurial ventures. AI is empowering individuals to launch businesses with minimal upfront costs. For instance, e-commerce entrepreneurs can use AI for inventory management, personalized marketing, and customer support. 1. Content creators can leverage AI tools for editing, SEO optimization, and audience analytics, making it easier to build a brand online. Section 5. Preparing for an AI-driven future. To thrive in an AI-driven world, preparation is key. Here's how individuals and organizations can stay ahead. 1. Upskilling and lifelong learning. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer affordable courses in AI, programming, and data analytics. Employees who proactively learn new skills will remain relevant in the changing job market. 1. Universities are also updating curricula to include AI-focused programs, ensuring that future generations are equipped for the challenges ahead. 1. Focusing on soft skills. Traits like creativity, adaptability, and emotional intelligence are increasingly valuable. Companies are actively seeking professionals who can complement AI's capabilities with human insight. 1. Government and corporate initiatives. Governments worldwide are investing in reskilling programs to help workers transition into tech-centric roles. Companies like Google and Microsoft offer free or subsidized training programs to bridge the skills gap. 1. Encouraging innovation. Organizations should foster a culture of innovation, encouraging employees to experiment with AI tools and find new ways to enhance productivity. 1. Partnerships between academia and industry can drive research and development, ensuring that AI technology is used responsibly and ethically. Section 6. The ethical and societal implications of AI in jobs. As AI continues to evolve, it brings significant ethical and societal challenges. 1. Economic inequality. Job displacement could widen the gap between high and low-income workers. Policymakers must consider solutions like universal basic income or job transition programs. 1. Bias and fairness. AI systems can reflect biases in their training data, leading to unfair hiring practices or discriminatory outcomes. Developers must ensure algorithms are transparent and unbiased. 1. Workplace dynamics. The integration of AI into workplaces could create tension between human workers and automated systems. Companies need to foster collaboration and address worker concerns. 1. Global implications. Developing nations that rely on low-cost labor may face greater challenges as automation reduces demand for human workers. International cooperation is essential to address these disparities. 1. Ethical considerations in decision-making. AI-driven decisions in hiring, promotions, or layoffs must be scrutinized to ensure fairness and accountability. Companies must establish clear guidelines for the ethical use of AI. Conclusion. Finding balance in an AI-powered world. So, will AI take our jobs? The reality is complex. AI will replace some roles but also create new opportunities and redefine how we work. The key lies in adaptability, upskilling, and embracing collaboration between humans and machines. Thank you for watching Digital Future AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are curious about the future of work. What do you think? Will AI ultimately help or harm the job market? Let us know in the comments below. We value your feedback and look forward to hearing your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Drop a comment or send us a message. We're always here to explore and discuss the future of AI with you.